Hi, Wayne here from Sears Parts Direct. Today we have a great tip for making your dryer work better if you use dryer softener sheets. Wash the lint screen regularly. You'll want to do this every few months or when you notice it takes longer for clothes to dry. It's important to remove lint after every use, but washing the screen regularly can help your dryer run its best and save energy. First, remove all the lint from the screen. You probably can't see the fabric softener deposits that build up on the screen. Before you shove that lint screen back into the dryer, check to see if water easily flows through the screen holes. If not, then you'll definitely want to wash the lint screen. To remove residue from fabric softener, run warm water over the lint screen while wiping with a soft-bristled brush. Some owner's manuals also recommend using detergent or vinegar to help clean deposits off the lint screen. Let the lint screen air dry completely before reinstalling it in the dryer. You can find more DIY tips in the repair help section of our website at searspartsdirect.com/DIY. And if you need a replacement lint screen, we have those too, along with many other dryer parts. We hope this video helped you out today. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to see new videos as soon as we post them.